Tanya.
I'm Annie.
And we're Team Honk, and we are here at Kisumu Hospital to meet with Mothers to Mothers.
It's a great project with mentor mothers supporting women living with HIV.
Welcome to Mothers to Mothers. We've just watched an amazing meeting happening, and now everyone's just having lunch together, and it's all about eating the right things and keeping yourself healthy, which is really important if you HIV positive.
Hello. You're so happy.
The welcome that we've had here has just been absolutely incredible. You can just tell these women are absolutely, I think I've been photobombed, video bombed. You can tell that these women are really passionate about what they're doing.
Hello Mumsnetters, it's David Walliams here, and like your bloggers Annie, Tanya and Penny, I've been out here in Kisumu in Kenya finding out how all the money you so generously donate to Comic Relief is spent. Now those three ladies are taking part in something very special. It's the Comic Relief Danceathon, which is on Sunday, March the 8th. Click here to see how you can support them and get your best dance moves ready.